How to watch YouTube videos incognito on your Android device. If you don't want other people seeing what videos you have watched on YouTube, or if someone else like a child wants to use your device to watch YouTube and you don't want their videos being recommended to you, then going incognito in YouTube will definitely help with this. Okay, straight into it. First you need to start up the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the top right of the screen to open the main menu. Lastly, tap on Turn on Incognito. That's all it takes to go incognito in YouTube on your Android device. Whilst in incognito mode, your search history and your viewing history will not be saved on this device. Your activity might still be visible to your employer, school, or internet service provider. To turn off incognito, just tap on where your profile picture was in the top right hand corner, and then on the menu that comes up, tap on Turn off Incognito. When you turn off incognito or become inactive, your activity from this session will be cleared and you'll return to the account last used. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.